Hamilton County hospitals are seeing an uptick in children admitted for flu-related complications.
They're calling the trend flu pneumonia. Local 3's Madison Sims joins us now with more on what this means for families and what doctors recommend to stay safe. Madison.
Yes, Cindy, flu pneumonia. Health officials say children suffering from the illness start off with a regular case of the flu, but when it goes untreated, it can quickly turn into pneumonia. And for children, it can be far more severe.
There's hundreds of children to death. I think something over 290 last year to influenza alone. So we need to be mindful of that.
According to a report by the CDC, Tennessee is one of 19 states experiencing the country's highest level of flu activity. In Hamilton County alone, flu-related illness accounted for more than 12.6% of hospital visits in December. And many of those patients have been children.
We have, unfortunately, low immunization rates for influenza vaccination in the pediatric population.
Stephen Miller with the Hamilton County Health Department says only 20 to 40% of children in the county are vaccinated.
This is big. It's going to go through our region I believe from here on out.
Just this year, the virus has claimed the lives of 9 children across the country. But in most cases, the flu itself isn't responsible for the deaths. It's the virus's complications, like pneumonia.
It causes inflammation inside the actual alveoli of the sacs of the lung. So instead of working with 100% of your lungs, you're suddenly working with 70%, 60, 40%, and this can lead to respiratory distress, such as what we're seeing.
Symptoms of the flu and pneumonia can be very similar, but Miller says it's important to look for these signs before you visit the hospital.
If the child cannot catch a breath, if they're just short of breath, even resting on the couch, they need to be evaluated ASAP. If you've got a temperature that you cannot get to come down with a tepid bath or with giving Tylenol or Motrin or something like that, they probably need to be evaluated by a healthcare professional.
As people return to work and school, Miller stresses getting back to the basics to prevent the spread and keep others safe.
Hand washing can have a serious impact on reducing flu transference. Then, of course, encouraging pediatric immunizations.
The health department is accepting walk-ins for flu vaccinations Monday through Friday at all of their locations. You can find directions to each facility and their time of operation in this story on our Local 3 News website. David.